is my driver.
So
it's my sugar daddy. Anybody fishing in the river? Nope, nobody on the river. Oh, look at that road. We might as well just turn around. It's bad. It's bad. It's bad.
Use your phone all the time.
I am. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Let's go break the bank.
Let's go into debt. Hi Morris, Tim Hortons. We're passing through the very first town that we have to go through to get to our destination. Damn!
174.
Almost full.
And we're on like less than a quarter tank, or a little bit more than a quarter tank. Or no, eighth a tank.
Look at our Christmas tree.
Anyway, about
there's a cop over there, look.
It's $1. Cost me $1 to pass the semi. Jeez, you just had to take forever just crying about Amazon and shit. I don't know my customer. It's the hard problem right now. This is so stupid. My fucking head is so pissed.
Because I wanted to buy things on Amazon! Keniston Boulevard. Oh, fucking missed it. So much traffic, man. So much fucking traffic. Oh my god, it's Walmart! 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 There's some... Oh, watch, bitch. That's pretty much VIP parking, man.
Oh.
Look, come on.
I need more than that.
Is that, oh, oh, that's freaking awesome.
Oh.
It's cute. Boom. That is cool. That is...
How much was the weight capacity? How thick?
It only goes 30 kilometers. That's actually pretty fast
Yeah,
for a
pretty
scooter.
fast.
Whole bunch you can lose. See? See? You get... Lose a whole bunch of balls now. That's awesome. Those are perfect balls you can lose. Begin.
It's all big stuff though.
Yeah. Pretty much don't have to take it out of the cart. All of getting to the end. What do you guess? I guess
1,000.
A few moments later.
Alright, everybody, you're gonna have to guess how much we spent. On the cart. Alright. All of that.
I think that's the most we ever spent on groceries. That, like, just groceries?
Yeah. Ryder just had big lips. Go to Walmart. Let's go to Walmart where we live better and save money and be better than everybody else. Only at Walmart. See? Guys, Walmart fucking Winnipeg. Oh my god. Watch your back. Watch your back. Watch your
Jerk. Walmart, yeah. Thought you were gonna ask about food or something.
extra large.
Extra large green tea with 4 sugar. And then can I get a bun on the side? Brown.
No,
White.
just plain.
Okay. So you want one white one?
Yeah.
Okay. That's all?
Yeah, that's it.
The other window?
Oh. Here's my bun. What they...
Worst service ever.
Yeah. One time they put cream inside my... remember that?
Yeah.
When they put cream inside my fucking tea.
Yeah.
It's like, what? And it wasn't even like the right tea. It was steep
Where was
tea.
that?
That was here.
Hey, can you grab my glasses wherever they are?
Show me. Show me your stuff. Oh, it's gone. Bitch. Oh, yeah.
Woo! Windier down here. Huh?
Shit. Oh, shit. Shit, I almost shit myself there. Oh my god, Tim. Boom. Sorry about a dirty ass window. A new coffee machine. Dirty ass windows are just bothering me right now. Yeah. Luca.
Hello friends, how are you? So this is our huge Costco's haul. We just to let you know that I have some of my mother's stuff in here as well, but I'm going to show you quickly how I organized all of this. So here's my pantry. It looks wonderful, beautiful, organized, but around my house is full of boxes at this point. There's my fridge. Let's go up top of my fridge. Now let's go to the freezer below. Let's go to the fridge, big freezer, I mean. And that's pretty much all. That's how I organized everything. My guess was 1,200. But thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!
I did.
Bye!